welcome back to My Carolina Homestead. My name is Michelle if you're new, and today I'm making up a really quick and easy recipe for a homemade hand lotion. Here in the Carolinas, it's been very cold and the air is incredibly dry and my skin is needing some relief. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and let's make some homemade hand lotion. I have a double boiler started with a glass measuring cup and a saucepan with a little bit of water, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of beeswax to this measuring cup, and I'm going to let that start to warm up and melt. To the beeswax, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil that you choose, but I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. And I'm just going to let these stay in the double boiler and stir periodically until the beeswax is completely melted and the oil mixture is clear. And now here I'm just going to add just a splash or 2 of jojoba. Jojoba is great for the skin and it also gives your lotion a really good slip. While the oils and beeswax are melting, here I have a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel and a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to mix these together and combine them really well. If you're going to add fragrance to your lotion, now's the time to do that. This recipe is going to make a little over 2 ounces, so add as many essential oils or fragrance that is appropriate for that amount of lotion. I haven't added mine yet because I haven't decided what fragrance I'm going to use, but I will add those in a little bit. So now that my oils have melted down, I have combined the beeswax, the oils, and the aloe vera mixture into this glass container, and I'm going to mix this up with my mixer until the consistency is what I'm looking for. So this can take a little bit of time, up to 10 minutes, so patience is a virtue here. At this point, this is what it looks like, and it's still just a little bit grainy. That's okay. Just take your silicone spatula and scrape your sides down and continue to mix your lotion with your mixer until the consistency is right. And here I'm adding a couple more splashes of the jojoba to just loosen up the lotion consistency just a little bit. As I said, this mixing part can take up to 10 minutes. If your lotion is still grainy or a little stiffer than you would like, add it to the saucepan that you used for your double boiler and let that warm water start to slightly soften up your beeswax and your oils. I've had to do this a few times until I got the consistency that I wanted. And now I'm just going to test the lotion out on my hand and see how it absorbs into the skin, and just make sure there's no beeswax grains or anything like that that is left behind. And so that completely absorbs in. It's nice and soft. It's very lightweight and absorbs into the skin really well. Now I'm just going to transfer it to a container with a lid, and this is ready to be used. This is a very simple and easy recipe. 5 ingredients, 6 if you include the jojoba. This will make a great gift. So if you are in need of an all-natural, chemical-free hand lotion that is light, fluffy, and quick absorbing and nourishing to the skin, then I hope you give this recipe a try. I really appreciate you stopping by My Carolina Homestead today and spending a little time with me. If you give this recipe a try, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. Thank you for stopping by My Carolina Homestead today. Hope to see you next time. Take care.